Can somebody please tell me why I can't see that well? Logan, you can't see that well because you're on medications, but it will be... Alright. Do you want some water, Logan? Excuse me, front office, can we please have some water in room 223? Thank you. Okay, I'm coming right away with the water. Okay, here you go. Thank you, Allie. There you go.
Ah! What?
Yeah, what?
My right leg!
Oh yeah, I totally forgot you have a broken leg from the shark.
What? What?
Guys, I think I hear the ice cream truck. Should we go? Yeah, we should definitely go. Guys, I don't know. I'm pretty much useless. Come on, Logan. Fine, I guess it will get me out of this house. I call driving.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone.
You guys are gonna have to walk. I'm sorry, guys.
Whatever. Okay, see you there. Finally, we made it.
Really, Danny? You call me poo-poo pants?
Really? It's funny. Come on, guys, let's order ice cream already. Okay. Come on, guys, let's get in line. I've been craving ice cream forever. Okay, Dana.
Hello, I want ice cream!
My goodness, Dana, don't break the ice cream truck.
Hello, it's me.
And I want ice cream.
Can I please have the milkshake?
Yeah, sure, $2.
Actually, I have a free ice cream coupon.
Oh, okay, then have a nice day. Hi, could I have the vanilla ice cream? Yeah, sure. Okay, here you go. $2, please. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, ma'am, what would you like?
Hi, can I please have the slushy?
Yeah, sure. $3, please. Okay, here you go. You're welcome. Hi, what would you like?
Hi, can I please have the cinnamon pretzel?
Yeah. Okay, here you go. $2.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Does everybody like their ice cream and pretzel?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, this was a good idea.
We should definitely come here again.
Definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching Beach Day series, and we'll see you guys next time.